In this tutorial, you'll learn how to check in online for your EasyJet flight using their website. Start by typing EasyJet into the Google search box. When you see the search suggestion appear, select it to quickly access the EasyJet website. Use the All tab if you need to view the full search results and easily find the official EasyJet page. Next, open the EasyJet homepage and click the check-in link from the top navigation to begin your online check-in. In the check-in window, click on the surname field to enter your last name, then select the booking reference input to enter your reservation code. Ensure both fields are correct and that the permission box is checked before you continue. When prompted, choose your preferred seat from the seat map to finish your online check-in process. You've now learned how to check in online with EasyJet. Safe travels,